Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to fix Netflix buffering issue. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. The main reason for buffering on Netflix is due to the internet speed. So, to check your internet speed, open the Netflix app and sign in. On the home page, tap your profile icon at the top right and tap App Settings. Here, scroll down and under the Diagnostics section, tap Internet Speed Test. If your internet speed is above 5 MB per second, your internet connection is not the cause for buffering. Now restart your device and check if the buffering is fixed. So that's how you fix Netflix buffering issue. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.